Hey, what's going on? So I see a lot of these YouTube videos out there with people walking through these multi-million-dollar listings. They know somebody, they know the agent, so they say, let's walk through the house and record it. I'm kind of doing that, but I'm kind of not. I am in a multi-million-dollar listing, except I own it, and I've never been here before. This is going on the market tomorrow, so I wanted to check it out. We're listing this for $2.5 million. We put a little bit of money into it. Let's walk through this house that has 9 bathrooms, 4 kitchens, and over 8,000 square feet of finished space. All right, as you can see, this is the foyer. As we walk in, let's walk in and kind of go around the corner and head into the kitchen, which is pretty cool. Here we are in the kitchen. We didn't really do a ton in here. We just kind of spruced the house up. The house had been listed a couple times in the past. We ended up getting a pretty good deal on it. But the kitchen, like you're gonna see in most $2.5 million houses, is pretty nice. Those fridges are huge. I'm currently standing in the sitting area right outside the kitchen. The backyard of this place is awesome, so let's head outside. As you can see, the outside of this house is awesome. A lot of stonework, some custom tongue and groove woodwork up there underneath the soffits as well. So this house is in Ladue, Missouri, which is one of the most expensive parts, if not the most expensive place to live in St. Louis. It's got a pretty big yard, no pool, which kind of stinks, but it's got a really, really nice yard. And this is an awesome place to hang out outside. This is on the back of the house. Come on into what I think is the master. I guess I'm not really sure, but the master bathroom or whatever this bathroom is, unlike any bathroom I've seen. Let's head to the bedroom first though. Here's a bedroom. Is it the master? Is it not the master? I don't know, but it's a nice bedroom. It's got some cool shine up lighting underneath. Got some speakers up there I see. Got a fireplace. Goes out to that really cool back patio. But let's head over to that bathroom that's pretty crazy. You're getting up in the morning or going, to go bathroom middle of the night, you can stop and maybe have a cocktail here at this little mini cocktail bar. You can see we got double sinks there. Kind of why don't you go ahead and walk through the closet and meet me over here. You can see there in the closet is pretty cool. Got some, some clear drawers so you can kind of see what's in there. A nice little closet space with lighting. But then you get over here, there's one toilet room there, another toilet room there, as well as a bidet, as I believe they say in France. Then you walk into here and here's a pretty big shower, right? Sorry for the echo, but we got multiple different heads. Why don't you go ahead and turn around. There's another shower behind you. Got a pretty darn big soaking tub. And then up there looks like something out of like a Batman movie or something. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. So this master bath, that's a steam shower behind you as well. This master bath's pretty darn cool, or whatever bath this is. I don't know if it's master or not, but pretty nice. 98, 99, 100. All right, here we are in the gym. There's no equipment in here, but obviously this was a gym. It's got some cool speakers up there, some cool windows, and then mirrored and this rubber floor. So I just did my 100th push-up for the 3rd time today so far this morning. So let's head on to the other rooms. Another bathroom. This kind of looks like this is maybe a big finished area that just hang out, maybe kind of the congregation part of the basement where people hang out. Another kitchen down here. So apparently, Matthew behind the camera told me there's a wine cellar that I didn't see, so let's check it out. Nothing too crazy. You can several bottles of wine in here, and it looks like a dehumidifier to kind of keep everything cool in here. I see some cigar boxes as well. Another closet. I don't even know what all this is, but it looks important and expensive. I think maybe this is like the upstairs master. There's a kitchen in it and a huge room that I don't even know what it is, so let's check it out. Another mini kitchen, even with a nice, really nice Wolf gas stove. So nice little kitchen in here, big room, nice closet, pretty nice bathroom. But then I don't even know what this is. I guess this is a closet, maybe a nursery. More doors that I don't really know where they go. Just closet space, but yeah, pretty nice little extension of the master, I guess, or the upstairs master. Here's another bedroom, echoey again. Walk through here, get a closet, and then walk through here. You're in the attic. So nice and Actually not very cold in here. It's kind of cold outside, but some good insulation. So just figuring this stuff out as we go. Bathroom number 7, I don't know how many there are. Here's another bedroom that's pretty good size. Not gonna walk you through all the bedrooms, just want you to kind of see the cool uniqueness of this house. It's obviously a very expensive house. It's not a box. The shape of it is extremely interesting. And they used every little bit they could to kind of make it unique and get as much space as they can. Another big bathroom right there. This house is a little, probably not super up to date for a $2.5 million house, but it's not super outdated. It's pretty up to date, but I would assume whoever's gonna buy it got some money and gonna wanna do a few more updates to it. All right, so that was a house that is a multi-million-dollar listing that I walked through, that I own, that I've never been in. So anyways, hopefully you kind of thought that was cool, trying to do some new fun stuff on this channel. So if you haven't liked this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. I do lots of educational stuff, but also entertaining stuff. So wish us luck. We bought this house, put about 20 grand on the inside, kind of fixing a few things, put a $70,000 roof on it, and we're listing it. Wish us luck. I'll put in the comments what we sell it for and how much profit we made after we sell it.